What's something people don't know about stomach growling? It's not just your tummy throwing a tantrum. When you're hungry, your stomach and intestines start to contract to move food along. This process is called peristalsis. Without food to muffle the noise, it sounds like a grumbling volcano in there. But wait, that's not all. Those growls, technically called 𝗙𝗙𝗖𝗙𝗢𝗓, yeah, that's a mouthful, are totally normal. It's your body's way of reminding you it's snack time. So next time your stomach roars in a quiet room, just smile and know it's science doing its job. Stay curious and keep those snacks handy.